Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you NLP success formula. NLP success formula is based on 4 rules. Rule number 1, know your outcome. The more you are clear about your goal, the easier it will be to achieve it. If you are not clear about your outcome in any situation, whether it's your family situation, whether it's your business situation, whatever it is, if you're not clear about your outcome, you will go nowhere or you will be confused during your success. And if you're clear, if you're crystal clear about your goal, chances are there you will achieve your goal easily and effortlessly. Rule number 2, take action. You will go nowhere until you take action. Action is the key towards your success. Choosing your goal is the key step. Once you are clear about your goal, you have to take action and do whatever it takes to achieve your goal. If you delay your actions, you will delay your achievement. Rule number 3, have sensory awareness. Be aware, notice your progress, check your progress, consult with the people around you, your seniors, whether you are going towards your goal or away from your goal. If what you are doing is taking you away from your goal, do something different. Which will lead you towards your goal. Rule number 4, show behavior flexibility. When you are in progress, when you are towards your goal, when you are working on your projects, you will experience setbacks, you will experience challenges. You have to be flexible enough to learn new skills, attitudes and behaviors so that you can achieve your ultimate goal. Otherwise, you will not be able to succeed in your goal. Use NLP success formula in your day-to-day life and achieve success in your personal and professional life. Good luck for your success.